problem is that trucking companies can lose track of loads that are falling behind, that may be late or in trouble. Alvys monitors those things and sends automatic alerts for loads that may need special attention, loads that may be problematic. So while many TMSs or applications will report on the location of where a load is, where they often fall short is that they don't identify which particular loads are falling behind or may fall behind so that the dispatchers or managers pay more attention to those loads. So with Alvys, not only does our driver mobile app notify and update the location of the truck, and also has a special link for the customer to see where the truck and the load is, Alvys also calculates the ETA automatically and alerts you to loads where the truck is falling behind so that you can either update the customer immediately or take any necessary actions like changing the delivery time before it's too late. So with Alvys, you become a more reliable partner, right? You become a more reliable trucking company so that you can stay on top of issues before they arise.